this time is a little bit different because we want to bring differences in this publication. In this case, it's Mirae. It's the first time that I have a recording of this conversation with Charles, because that is not the first time that we see. And well, Charles, thank you very much for your time.
Nice meeting you.
To talk more about it.
Sure.
I see you're collaborating right now with the SMarTsol.
Yes.
And tell me, what is about Mexico? I saw you the last time, I guess, in Juarez, Ciudad Juarez, in the last SMTA.
And Querétaro as well.
Also in Querétaro, that's right. And yeah, what is about, because Guadalajara is coming over.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see you right there for sure.
Sure, of course. Well, actually, I started working at SMarTsol since beginning of the May this year. So before the Mirae Corporation was collaborated with different supplier, but the reason that we moved with SMarTsol is that SMarTsol is leading company in Mexico for any type of electronics.
Yes.
And we have very good infra right now. So, very good customer base. We have a really good reputation.
Yes.
So that's the biggest reason that Mirae moved to SMarTsol for expand and spread of their business in Mexico. Because the Mexico is always, there's a lot of turnover in, industries. So automation is very important, nowadays for any type of company, for automation, automotive, electronics. So Mirae is mainly for PTH, through whole automation. So we believe that we can make a good success through SMarTsol.
Nice. That's wonderful. Probably 2 weeks ago, I had a conversation with Ivan Romo, and he was talking about the different facilities that you have in Mexico. He mentioned Juarez, of course, Tijuana, Reynosa, Querétaro, Guadalajara.
Yes.
And in Guadalajara, we had the pleasure, to visit the storage, all the warehouse, the offices, and also the showroom. And I think it's very important, that comment that you did about infra,
Yes, exactly.
Because the customer is looking for somebody that can bring, more value about it with the stocks, with the showroom. Like, for example, with the support, hey, I want to know what kind of machinery you can have or what kind of things you can provide me.
Exactly.
And what is the time, to have that. So that is important to have a good customer and a happy company working with you, I guess.
Yes, that's correct. Actually, infra is very important that SMarTsol has a facility in multiple locations here in Mexico.
Nice.
As you mentioned, we have a demo center in, mainly in Guadalajara, because our headquarters is in Guadalajara. But we have a demo center in Juarez and Monterrey, and even here in Chihuahua, we are building up right now, and also in Tijuana as well. So all over Mexico. So, and also for the service and support, as you mentioned, key element is how we can serve, how we can satisfy the customer in terms of service. So the SMarTsol has certified engineer by Mirae. They get trained from Mirae factory in Korea directly. So they have a certification, directly through Mirae. And they have a lot of experience with the Mirae machine here in Mexico. Yeah. They install several different OEM, number 1, number 2 OEMs.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
that's great.
This is one of the strengths that we have, SMarTsol. So they can support any suppliers, not only Mirae. So that
is a good one. Again, coming back to infra, right?
Yes.
They have the ability to support different brands and have a really happy company working with them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So, Charles, I have another question,
Sure.
or more comment than question, I guess, because it's about connectivity, and digitation. The people likes to know more about it. Right now is one of the trends, right?
Yes.
Can I connect my machine with all my line of SMT?
Yeah, I mean, FGT and MES connectivity is now very common all over the world and all over the machine. So yeah, our Mirae machine offers to connectivity to any other brand. So we can easily integrate with other brand for the closed loop, same as similar to like screen printer and SPI, they have a closed loop systems. So we can do the same with the Mirae and any other brand. So,
wow. That's wonderful. You know, and very insightful for the people because nowadays, you know, the people is looking for a solution
Sure.
that can, you know, dance with all my machinery and all my cloud systems. Because
Right.
it's not only MES, but eventually, can I connect to I don't know, it could be an SCADA system. I'm available to record or take the data
Yes.
and eventually use that with different in-house development.
Yes.
Because normally it is what it is, right? That is the
Yes.
kind of solution that the people develop.
Yeah, nowadays it's not only for like statistics, you know, not the store search. You know, we need to communicate each other
Yes.
to transport and share the information so we can make a better results
Yeah.
and better year and better quality. So
Okay. No, that's great. That's great. Amigo, just to close, what's going on for 2024 to close this year? And for the last quarter, you know, and 2025 is coming over. What's going on with Mirae?
I believe that we will have a good reputation. We will build up good reputation with SMarTsol and Mirae collaborate each other because we have a lot of potential project with biggest companies.
Yeah.
And EMS and even, you know, some of the Korean companies as well. So we believe that we'll have a good success at the end of this year and the beginning of next year as well.
Excellent. Excellent. Let's see that. I'm going to see you in Guadalajara next
Sure.
month. Okay.
I'll be your good friend. From now on.
Thank you,
Yeah.
amigo. I really appreciate your
Sure.
time.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.